I think the tragedy, I feel, is when we take the roots of a culture out of a biome and try to put it into another. That's the scary part for me, because when we do that, when we take the natural rhythm and the natural strength out of the body and try to substitute it with something else, and what I really mean is that when we take our culture and substitute it with the culture that never existed here, it either dies or it destroys us. And I have to say that what Andrew's doing right now is critical to our survival. Yago head stio neoxota guayanto Yago yanale Yago yanale Yago yanale Yago yanale.
The Gathering Hearts and Minds to Restore the Land initiative, it really started in December 2017. I looked at some grants and saw that there was a SHIRT Connections grant that would allow us to investigate land-based education. I invited many community members, we had a feast, we shared. As a result of that meeting, we came up with this idea of having a 4-part series of gatherings based in each season, winter, spring, summer, and fall, where we would talk and have dialogue about what is Indigenous land-based education and what do we need to know in each season that then we can turn into courses and curriculum to offer to students from across the country. It was, pretty exciting. We had Indigenous leaders from across the region, as well as a couple of really important elders, Jan Longboat and Peter Schuler, attend the gathering.
And when we dig up our roots, we strengthen the narrative of what's old is new again.
Jan is world-renowned. She is part of extraordinary groups that are influencing the development of consciousness around living according to what the ancestors taught us. It's easy to get discouraged. It's easy to believe that there's no hope. But with a woman like her, with a grandmother like her, I have nothing but hope and nothing but inspiration in my heart that we actually can do something about land-based education. We can do something about the environment. That's what really fuels my fire. We don't just want to do things the way college programming has always been done, because we don't think that that's going to be effective or an effective means for delivering land-based education. Ultimately, what we're going to come out with is something unique. Land-based education is so much more than just planting some corn or some beans. It is about really taking a look at our place, my place on this one earth that we have. The more people that realize that we can actually do something about our current circumstances, we can actually do something to restore the land, we're really going to make a space for future generations to thrive.
And we say now, thank you, so going on Disso, and we will open this garden. Thank you.